So this is the horse with EPM that we've been treating, and I've done the EPM videos on. I wanted to give you a quick look at him. He's going to be going home probably tomorrow. While he was here, since I've been exercising him, he's still a little weak right here in his top line, but he's put on a good bit more muscle right here. I'll see if I can find a clip from when he first came. This is really muscled up good. He's got muscle up here. So he's muscling up in his back end really nice. So I'm really pleased to see that with his recovery, and I expect that his recovery will continue. The vet says that he's strong enough that he can ride. His owner lives about roughly 6 hours away, I believe, 5 to 6 hours. So he's going to go home where his owner can do the work with him, the exercising that I've been doing. She's very familiar with what I've been doing, and also her vet is up there where her vet can consult. She's also talked to a couple of universities about possibly getting him into one of their programs. His feet are much better. I'll put a little clip here of me ponying him so you can see he's actually picking them up much better. And this will be the last video that I do of him, but he's still going to be getting help, and he'll still be around. And I want to thank you for following this series about EPM. I hope it's brought awareness to owners to watch for EPM and help you spot EPM, and to let you know that there are things that can be done. Until next time, thank you for watching.